Alright, hold up. Before you spend another dime on a pistol caliber carbine, you have to see what's coming out of SHOT Show 2026. I'm serious. The big names just pulled the curtain back on 10 new PCCs that are about to completely change the game for 9mm and, well, beyond. We're talking roller-delayed guns that weigh less than 4 pounds, integrally suppressed platforms designed from the ground up for stealth, and folders so compact you could genuinely lose them in a laptop bag. Look, only a tiny fraction of shooters have any idea what's hitting the shelves in January. By the time the rest of the world sees these on the show floor, they'll be on back order for the next 6 months. So, here's the plan. I'm going to break down all 10 of these guns, from the ones that are going to shake up the budget market to the absolute elite tier subguns. And stick with me, because the number one spot on this list finally solves a headache that has plagued PCCs from the very beginning. Let's get into it. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. Yes, a high point is on this list. And before you click away, hear me out because the internet haters are missing the point. The 995P pistol is High Point's direct answer to everyone who said they couldn't build a compact modern platform. You're looking at a 13.25-inch barrel, a simple direct blowback action, and a weight of just 6.1 pounds. That's lighter than a lot of entry-level ARs. Plus, it now accepts a buffer tube, so you can throw on your favorite brace or stock. Now here's the part that got my attention. It comes with a threaded 1/2 by 28 muzzle right from the factory. That means it's suppressor ready out of the box. Let's be real. This isn't trying to be an MPX. It's designed to be the PCC you actually buy when you need a reliable beater for under $300. It's the gun you can toss behind the seat of your truck and not cry if it gets scratched. With ghost ring sights, a full-length Picatinny rail, and that legendary lifetime warranty that has outlived companies charging 3 times as much, it does exactly what it says on the tin. For a ranch gun, a loaner for a new shooter, or just a fun plinker, the 995P delivers. And it's doing it while everyone else is jacking up their prices. So, I've got to ask, for you, is this purely a range toy, or would you trust it for something more? At number 9. The PSA Jackal 9 might just make other AR platform PCCs obsolete. It has a 6.5-inch barrel with a direct blowback action inside a monolithic 6065 aluminum upper that's built like a vault. At 5.8 pounds with its brace, it's lighter than many Scorpion setups. The controversial part, it uses CZ Scorpion magazines, not Glock. But those 35-rounders are known to run flawlessly. PSA nailed the features, with a reversible ambi side-charging handle and their EPT trigger, which is cleaner than most factory triggers in this price range. Because it's built on the Jackal upper, it's compatible with any AR-15 lower, so all your existing parts are ready to go. It's Scorpion reliability in an AR package with better ergonomics at half the price of some competitors. Expected to land between $850 and $1,000. Is CZ mag compatibility a deal breaker for you, or a feature? For all my retro fans, number 8 is for you, the H&R PSA Doe. This is what you get when you mix Cold War cool with modern manufacturing. It's PSA's faithful reproduction of the old Department of Energy Colt 633 SMG, and it's no wall hanger. It has a 7.5-inch barrel, a direct blowback system that uses Colt pattern stick mags, and all the retro looks you want, like the fixed carry handle and triangular handguards. But they wisely included a 5/8 by 24 threaded barrel for modern suppressors. This is history you can actually shoot. The original Doe SMGs were used by federal security details in the 80s, and now you can run the same platform without an NFA stamp. The fixed carry handle isn't ideal for red dots, but if you want an AR-9 with some soul, the Doe delivers. Are you in on this one? Remember when roller delayed meant H&K money? Not anymore. At number 7, the Matador Arms Mat 9 brings that smooth action to the AR-9 platform without requiring a second mortgage. It's an upper with a 5.5-inch nitrided barrel, a non-reciprocating side charger, and no buffer tube needed. But the game changer is this. The upper drops onto any standard AR-15 lower. Glock mag lower, MP5 mag lower, it doesn't matter. The roller delayed action means softer recoil and faster split times compared to straight blowback. The action parts are 4140 nitrided steel, so it's built to last. If you want MP5 smoothness in an AR footprint, the Mat 9 is dropping at SHOT Show as the affordable roller delay king. At number 6, we have the PCC that answers the question, why not just run an SBR? Meet the ZEV Magpul FDP9. Get this, it weighs 3.25 pounds. Let that sink in. That's lighter than most .22 pistols. It has a 7.1-inch barrel, but here's the magic. It folds down to just 10.75 inches. You can literally fit this in a messenger bag. It's built on ZEV's proven OZ9 operating system, a Glock-based action that's been torture-tested for years. That means it takes all your existing Glock mags, from 17-rounders to 50-round drums. The folding mechanism is tool-free, locks up solid, and holds at zero. For a vehicle, backpack, or get-home bag, nothing else combines this size with Glock reliability and a sub-4-pound weight. So, here's the trade-off. Would you sacrifice a bit of weight for this incredible portability? What happens when you mix Czech engineering with American aggression? You get the new Strybogs. At number 5, Grand Power proves that PCCs don't have to be limited to 9mm. They've just dropped the SP45A3 and 45 ACP and the SP10A3 and 10mm, both running a roller-delayed blowback system with 8-inch threaded barrels. The 45 takes UMP-style mags, while the 10mm uses a custom 20-rounder. Why does this matter? Because 10mm from an 8-inch barrel is pushing over 600 foot-pounds of energy, creeping into .357 Magnum carbine territory. The roller delay system tames that recoil, and the non-reciprocating charging handle keeps things smooth. If you want genuine stopping power in a PCC format, or you hunt with subsonic 10mm through a can, nothing else delivers this capability. Which caliber calls to you? At number 4 is a gun born from pure engineering obsession, the Nemo Arms Mongoose. This is what happens when designers stop asking, how cheap can we make it, and start asking, how good can we make it? It has a 5.8-inch barrel and a short recoil operating system. Not blowback, not delayed, but actual short recoil like a Benelli shotgun. The result? It weighs just 3.6 pounds bare and folds to under 14 inches. The front cap is an integrated compensator, virtually eliminating muzzle rise. It takes Scorpion mags and has AR controls, so it feels instantly familiar. The system means less reciprocating mass, translating to faster follow-up shots. If you're a competitor where every ounce matters, or need a gun that disappears in a bag but shoots full size, the Mongoose delivers. Is that weight savings worth the price? Born from roller delay DNA but evolved for modern use, number 3 is the Zenith ZF56. It combines H&K's legendary system with AR-15 magazine compatibility and American manufacturing. The initial 5.56 version has a 12-inch cold hammer-forged barrel and a last-round bolt hold open, a feature MP5 owners have wanted for decades. But the big news is that Zenith confirmed 9mm, 10mm, 300 blackout, and 7.62 by 39 variants are coming. That's one platform with roller delay smoothness across multiple calibers. For the 9mm crowd, this is the American-made MP5 alternative that actually improves on the original. The rifle configuration isn't a backpack gun, but if you want roller delay reliability with AR mag convenience and future caliber options, nothing else offers this versatility. Which caliber would you build first? When SOCOM needed a no-compromise suppressed 9mm, B&T built this, the KH-9SD. Only 400 were made, so seeing one at SHOT Show 2026 means you're looking at a unicorn. It has a 4.3-inch ported barrel with an integral B&T RBS suppressor nested inside the handguard. It's a closed-bolt blowback weighing just 4.8 pounds, and it accepts B&T mags, or with an adapter, Finnish Suomi coffin mags. Integral suppression matters because you're not adding weight and length to the front of the gun, destroying its balance. The system is tuned for subsonic 9mm to be hearing safe. It has all the high-end touches, a tri-lug mount, folding stock, and ambi controls. If you need the quietest, most compact package possible, nothing else is engineered like this. Would you pay B&T prices for this capability? And here it is. Number 1. This is the PCC that finally solved the problem that has plagued the platform since day one. The Angstat Arms MDP-9 Gen 2. Let this sink in. It's a 14-inch overall, 3.7-pound, roller-delayed blowback PCC that takes Glock magazines and requires no buffer tube. That is the holy grail combination no one else has achieved. It has a 5.85-inch barrel, AR-15 lower compatibility, and a fantastic trigger. But here's why it's number 1. Angstat fixed every single complaint from Gen 1. Reliability issues? Gone. Testers report over 1,000 rounds of mixed ammo with 0 malfunctions. Bolt lockup problems? Fixed with a redesigned roller cam system. Proprietary parts? Nope. It uses standard AR fire control groups and furniture. This is the roller delay PCC you can build on a lower you already have, feed with mags you already own, and trust when it matters. It's light enough for competition, small enough for a vehicle, and smoother than any straight blowback. If you want the ultimate do-it-all PCC, this is it. Coming to SHOT Show 2026 as the new king. So, what's your pick? SHOT Show 2026 has officially proven that pistol-caliber carbines are no longer just the budget alternative to a rifle. They are purpose-built tools that do things 5.56 just can't. The Angstat MDP-9 Gen 2 earned that number 1 spot because it delivers on a promise shooters have been asking for since the MP5 went mainstream. True roller delay reliability with the convenience of Glock mags and AR modularity. But honestly, every single gun on this list brought something exciting to the table. Which of these 10 are you most excited to get your hands on in January? Did the high point surprise you? Or was the B&T KH9 SD more your speed? Drop your personal rankings in the comments below. And hey, if I missed a big PCC announcement you think should be on here, let me know what you'd add. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the full range reviews when these finally start shipping. Up next, we're diving into the SHOT Show 2026 pistol coverage, breaking down everything from new micro compacts to duty guns. I'll see you there.